No better way to end 2025 than to build this beautiful G63 sitting right behind us. This customer previously had us do the BRABUS G700 engine upgrade, the BRABUS Exhaust, and the BRABUS carbon fiber engine bonnet. He was pleased with our work, and here he is 6 months later. This time around, we're doing the BRABUS Widestar Kit, which is the wide body. This customer also decided to do some 24-inch BRABUS Monoblock ZV wheels. So the main reason why this customer decided to come back to us for one simple fact, that we were able to provide them authentic parts and also their certificate of authenticity from BRABUS. This is only provided to dealers that are authorized through BRABUS to sell the products. Lastly, if you're looking to purchase BRABUS products or to purchase a BRABUS vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you authenticate any of the BRABUS products and also help you through the step-by-step process of doing your BRABUS build. With that said, guys, I wish you nothing but the best and a happy 2026.